all of your nightly tossing, turning, sweating and smells are going to be a thing of the past thanks to the IKEA Complete Sleep Studio. It's going to transform the way you sleep, and the best part is it's all here under one roof. So let's jump on in and check it out. Now it all starts with this bad boy, an amazing next level piece of technology that's kind of like a pop quiz on how you sleep. Answer a few simple questions about your nightly routine, whether you're a side sleeper, a sweater, take naps, all of that, and it'll tell you which IKEA mattress is the best one for you. And then they're all right here in store for you to road test. We've got the soft mattresses, the firm mattresses, the springs, the latex, options for everyone. And you can even take them home with you with a 25-year guarantee. I can't cope. I'm also loving the additional products it recommends to address your individual sleep issues. Pillows, there's tons. Quilts, abundance. Sheets, loads to choose from. Think of this little treasure trove as your one-stop shop for a good night's sleep. So when you come to IKEA, you've got to check out their sleep pods. There's 3 of them in store and they're going to get you thinking about the different factors that affect your sleep at night. There's the sight pod, the scent pod and the feels pod. I'm experiencing all of the feels in the feels room. This one is all about the materials you're touching in bed, like the sheets and the quilt cover and the pillows. But also what's underfoot when you get out of bed, because we do love a rug in the bedroom. This pod is all about the scents in your bedroom. The cute ones, not the bad ones. And I wish this was smell-o-vision because it's absolute nostril nirvana. You've got to consider things like fresh flowers and candles in your bedroom because fragrance has a huge impact on how you feel. Lastly, what are we waking up to of a morning? Are there some great sheer curtains in the room? Do we have divine art on the walls? Is your bedside table styled up? A good night's sleep is all about surrounding yourself with beautiful things, so make sure your bedroom is packed with the decor that you love. The sleep pods and IKEA mattress selector are all here under one roof, so pop into your local store, get everything in one hit with no mistakes, no regrets, and no wasted cash.